Let's start the DMF one. So DMF is like drug master file. This is the highly confidential information, and this is a submission. Sorry. So this is a submission we are making with the Health Authority of Food and Drug Administration to provide the detailed information about the chemistry, manufacturing, and control. So this related to the drug and one of the its components. So in addition to the CMC data, so DMF can also include their relevant details such as packaging and storage procedure. So this DMS system mainly we can see in the USFD, United States, a critical component for the regulatory framework within the pharmaceutical industry. So this DMF is the confidential information and with pharmaceutical manufacturer or any supplier to provide the detailed information about the facilities or process or any ingredient we are using during the manufacture. So the purpose of DMF submission is allow to sharing the drug property information and within the FDA without disclosing the drug applicant information with the other competitors. So that's why it's a very, very confidential information. So even you can see in the drug master file, it's the important technical data about active pharmaceutical ingredient, that is API, excipient, packaging material, and even the manufacturing process. So this can be allowed for the Food and Drug Administration as we are providing the confidential information, right? So this is the belongs to the drug product manufacturer, and the same materials we are using the product developing the product on. So this DMF system, it's a particularly you can use for the manufacturer and supply and different multiple drug companies. So to avoid any kind of submissions in the same information for multiple times. So that's why we can submit drug master file. So this drug master file classify into 5 categories. So the category 1 belongs to the plant details. And type 2 is the information on drug substance, drug product, intermediate materials using in the production. And the packaging information, excipients, and 5 will be the additional data not covering by the type 1 to type 4. So this is about the drug master file, introduction and the classification of the drug master file. So guys, any doubts in this area before I jump into the next topic?
No, sir.
Now we have idea what is drug master file. Drug master file is nothing but this is a confidential information submission we are going to submit to FDAs. So mainly we are keeping information like active pharmaceutical ingredient, excipients, and packaging material, and what are the manufacturing process we have. That information can be submitted in the drug master file. So this drug master file classified in 5 categories. So type 1A DMF. So that is the type 1 belongs to the manufacturing. So this is the classification has been discontinued currently, but the numbering remaining unchanged for consistency. So in this type of submission, we can see the manufacturing site, facilities, and operation procedures. And it contains the information about the location, manufacturing plant, and its layout. So this type 1 DMF rarely submitting today. So that's why the type of submission now discontinued with respect to health authority, but to maintain the number of classification derived from the health authority side. So we can keep type 1A as active, but this submission type we are no more submitting. And coming to the type 2, so this type focusing on the drug substance and drug substance intermediates, materials using in the preparations. So it contains detailed information about the product process, API, and even the different intermediates we have, right? That information we can see here. And type 3, we have the especially for the packaging material, and type 4 covers the excipient incorporations with respect to the pharmaceutical formulations. And type 5, we have the capture any additional data. It's not listed under type 1 to type 4. So those information we can see under in this category. So we'll see. Yeah, before going for next topic, I want to detailedly explain about what is the type 2. So in the type 2, we have drug substance and drug substance intermediate material we are using. So this drug type 2 drug master file is one of the most common submitted format. So this can provide as the comprehensive data on the drug quality, purity, and stability. So for example, if any manufacturer producing API like atorvastatin, so they can submit type 2 DMF with the detailed information on the synthesis process, or they can provide the quality control measurement and specific for the respective API. So this is the type 2 DMF. So in the type 2 DMF, mainly we need to focus on the drug substance and drug substance intermediates and materials we are using. And coming to the type 3, so in type 3, we have the mainly focusing on the packaging materials. So we can include the packaging material for the purpose of the safety and suitability of the packaging material, like bottles, blisters, or capsules. So this type 3 DMF might contain detail about the plastic retain, plastic resins, and even we can see if you are making the tablets bottles, demonstrating the materials, what are the interacting with the drug product, right? So we can ensure the drug remains safe and effective throughout its life cycle. So we need to talk about packaging material in the type 3 DMF. And coming to the type 4 DMF, this can be covered with excipients. So this excipients, what are the colorants we have, and what is the flavoring agents and the materials we are using in the drug formulations, we can discuss under type 4. So as a manufacturer, they can supply. So if you can take example for the magnesium citrate. So this is the common tablet lubricant we can use. So we can submit by using the type 4 DMF to provide information about the materials, purity, and what is the origin and what is the manufacturing process. So these are the area we can focus on the type 4. And type 5, so this is the miscellaneous DMF. So we can provide any information is not covered under type 1 to type 4. Those information we can add, like those kind of information like contract manufacturing agreements or quality control agreements or environment control agreements we can discuss here. So guys, these are the 5 types of drug master file submissions.